You may have seen this location already in a previous behind the scenes video on this channel, of course. Not a famous landmark here, but an interesting place to shoot in. And this might be the last time I will work there because things are changing around here and it's a shame. So enjoy this behind the scenes video, one of my latest, with a karate athlete. Things are changing around here in the city of Toulouse. Locations have been reluctant welcoming photographers and filmmakers unless you have a huge check in your pocket. What can I say? What can we do? Nothing, ultimately. That's the way it is now, so we have to adapt, and that's part of the job. We were lucky enough to go back there and create amazing images with Cassandra Sampieri, a young karate athlete. And the goal of this photo shoot was to show different sides of her personality and, of course, to show the world that she is more than an athlete. Athletes are not always super comfortable in front of a camera, especially when you're creating images that are not directly related to their sport. So I have to say that she did a fantastic job. This session happened just a few hours after I thought that my batteries died. The ones from the Pixapro 8200 Pro and Godox 8200 Pro. So I had to find a fix, temporary fix, a solution to make this session work, and you will probably see this in the video. Just to realize 24 hours later that my batteries were in sleep mode, so I had to find a tiny little button. I had to press that button to wake the batteries. Crazy. Of course, I'm super happy that both my flashes still work. I just wish I had this information earlier, or at least before this session. So what I did is really simple. I still had the 8600 Pro and 8300 Pro working. So since the Broncolor remote has a hot shoe on top of it, I just had to stack the Godox remote on it and use both my Broncolor and Godox flashes for this session.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Let's go!
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Let's go!
That is it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry I missed a couple posts lately on the blog, here on YouTube and on Instagram. That's because I was quite busy lately, which is a good thing. I just came back from Paris, where I gave a conference, and from a hip-hop festival that was held near Grenoble. And more about that in a future video. Check out the blog for all the pictures in HD and more info, more settings, and so on. You know what to do. The link is in the description box below. This word, description box below. So I guess that I will catch you in the next one. Take care, and until then, please have a good one.